Hello, my name is Amanda, and my sections are the bubbles in green, located right here, structures of the ear, structures of the nose, structures of the mouth, and structures of the closed eye. The first one I'm going to go over is structures of the ear. The general characteristics of the ear is what we're going to go over first. The ear is in the shape of a pyramid. It's complex with many surfaces, structures, dips, and curves. It's typically covered by the hair or easily covered if damaged, even if the person doesn't have hair. It can always be covered by a scarf or a hat. The ears exhibit the greatest distance in position. And fun fact, the face is 3 ears long. The anatomical guidelines for locating the ear. The superior border of the ear is on the same horizontal plane as the eyebrow, and the inferior border of the ear is on the same horizontal plane as the base of the nose. Next, we're going to go over the descriptions of the ear, all of its surfaces, structures, dips, and curves. First, we have the helix of the ear. It's the outer rim. It's in the general shape of a question mark. I have an ear right here to demonstrate. The helix is right here. The scapha is the fossa between the inner and outer rims of the ear. It is the shallowest depression of the ear. The antihelix is the inner rim of the ear, which starts at the superior border of the lobe and continues upward until it ends by becoming the crura. The crura is the superior and anterior bifurcating branches of the helix, which you can see right here. It will bifurcate in the center, and then that bifurcation between the two is called the triangular fossa. Next is the concha, which is going to be the deepest depression of the ear, located right here. The tragus is the elevation protecting the ear passage, right here. And the antitragus is opposite of the tragus, antitragus. So that's going to be the projection right here. It's a small eminence located on the superior border of the lobe of the ear. The intertragic notch or opening between the tragus and antitragus, right here. The lobe, of course, is the inferior fatty 1/3 of the ear. This one happens to have a very large hole. It's the most inferior part and attaches to the cheek. And last is the crus, the origin of the helix that is flattened and ends at the concha.